Hello students, today we are discuss about the chapter number 11 in class 7 motion and time. Number 1 measurement. Measurement it means नापना, a size, amount etc. साइज को अमाउंट को मापने के लिए जिस मेजरिंग का यूज़ करते हैं उसे हम measurement बोलते हैं. You have read in class 6 that measurement is the comparison of an unknown quantity with some fixed quantity of the same kind. Learning objective: measurement of time, rest and motion and speed, graphical representation. measurement किसी वस्तु को मापने का कार्य या प्रक्रिया. The act or process of measuring something. The act or process of measuring something. किसी वस्तु को मापने का कार्य या प्रक्रिया. Motion गति या गति करने का प्रकार. Movement or a way of moving. To make a movement usually with your hand that tell somebody what to do. किसी को इशारा करना. To make a movement usually with your hand that tell somebody what to do. किसी को इशारा करना. Measurement of time. Unit of time. Unit of time it means 60 second equal 1 minute, 60 minute equal 1 hour, 24 hours equal 1 day, 365 days equal 1 year, 10 years equal 1 decade, 10 decade equal 1 century equal 100 years, 10 century equal 1 millennium equal 1000 years. Base unit of time is second. A clock is a device to measure time. हम घड़ी को मापने के लिए. Example, the interval between or sunrise at the next is a unit of time called day. एक डे को मापने के लिए. A clock is a device to measure time. घड़ी को हम टाइम का मेज़र करने के लिए. Example, the interval between one sunrise and the next is a unit of time called a one day. The time period from one sunset to sunrise is called night. One sunset to sunrise is called night. Similarly, time interval between one new moon and a next is called a month. Time interval between one new moon and next is called a month. A year is measured as a time taken by the earth. A year is measured as the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution. To complete one revolution of the sun. An instrument used to measure time is called a clock. An instrument used to measure time is called a clock. Commonly used units of time: 60 second equal 1 minute, 60 minute equal 1 hour, 24 hours it means 1 day, 365 days 1 year, 10 years equal 1 decade and 10 decade equal 1 century equal 100 years, 10 century equal 1 millennium and 1000 years. Next topic is speed. The speed of an object is defined as the distance travelled by it in unit or time. Speed an object is defined as a distance travelled by it unit time. The standard unit of distance. Standard unit of distance is meter. हम स्पीड को मापने के लिए मीटर का यूज़ करते हैं एंड दैट इज़ टाइम इज़ सेकेंड और टाइम को हम सेकेंड से मेज़र करते हैं. Therefore the SI unit it means system unit of speed is meters, मीटर पर सेकेंड. सिस्टम यूनिट को हम स्पीड से मीटर सेकेंड, मीटर पर सेकेंड और शॉर्ट फॉर्म और एमएस. Some speeds may be expressed. Some speeds may be expressed in the units like kilometer per hour, meter, minute or meter hour. Meter per hour. The speed of an object is defined as the distance covered by a body in a unit time. The speed of an object is defined as the distance covered by डिस्टेंस को कवर करने के लिए ए बॉडी इन ए यूनिट टाइम. स्पीड इक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय ए बॉडी. स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस कवर बाय ए बॉडी अपॉन टाइम taken to cover distance. If you cover the distance between Delhi to Mumbai are covered much faster by an aeroplane. The distance covered Delhi to Mumbai are covered much faster by an aeroplane than by a train or a car. It is noted that during the same time interval the aeroplane is able to go much farther than the train or a car. Next, if an object travels for time short form of t and speed short form of s, it covers a distance given by distance equal to speed multiply time. Short form is d equal s multiply t. If an object cover a distance d at a given speed, the time it takes it given by. Time equal distance upon by speed. Average speed is equal to total distance covered by total time taken. Average speed is equal to total distance covered by total time taken. And then numerical. A car travels the distance between Delhi to Chandigarh in 4 hours. A car travels between Delhi to Chandigarh in 4 hours if the distance between the two towns is 140 km. Between the two towns is 140 km. What is the average speed of the car? Total distance covered is equal to 140 km. Time taken is equal to 3 hours. Average speed is equal to total distance covered by total time taken. Average speed, total distance covered is equal to 140 km. Total time taken, it means 4 hours, is equal to 35 km per hour is your answer. And next is the Shatabdi Express taken 8 hours to travel from Meerut to Allahabad. A Shatabdi Express taken 8 hours to travel from Meerut to Allahabad at the speed of 60 km per hour. Find the distance between Meerut to Allahabad. Solution: total time taken is equal to 8 hours. Average speed is equal to 60 km per hour. Total distance covered d इक्वल हमें इसे निकालना है. एवरेज स्पीड इज इक्वल टू टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड टोटल टाइम टेकन. Short form is t and the short form is d. Total time distance d is equal to average speed into total time taken is equal to s multiply t. Speed multiply time. 60 km per hour multiply 8. 6 8 the 48. 0 का 0 kilometer. This is your answer. And next is a man covers a total distance of 800 km. A man covers a total distance of 800 kilometers in his car with an average speed of 80 km hour. How much time does he take? Total distance traveled is equal to 800 km. Average speed is equal to 80 km per hour. Total time taken is equal to blank. Average speed is equal to total distance covered D upon total time taken T. Average speed is equal to total distance covered by average speed. Average speed is equal to 800 by 80. 0 से 0 cancel हो गया. 8 10 the 80. 10 hours. And next is a boy covers 60 meter in 10 seconds and 60 meter in next 10 seconds and 30 meter in the last 10 seconds. A boy covers 60 meter in 10 seconds, 60 meter in next 10 seconds and 30 meter in the last 10 seconds. Calculate in the average speed of the boy. Total distance covered by the boy is equal to 60 meter plus 60 meter plus 30 meter is equal to 60 and 60 120 plus 30 150 meter. Total time taken is equal to 10 second plus 10 second plus 10 second is equal to 10 10 10 30 second. Average speed is equal to distance upon time is equal to 150 by 30. 0 से 0 cancel हो गया. 3 5 the 15. 5 meter per second. And next and last numerical is a bus takes 30 minutes to cover a distance of 18 kilometer. Bus takes 30 minutes cover a distance of 18 kilometer. Calculate its speed in kilometer per hour and meter second. 30 minutes is equal to 30 by 60 is equal to 1 hour by 2. 1 upon 2 hours. Distance covered by 18 kilometer. Time taken is equal to 1 by 2 hour. Speed equal distance upon time. Speed equal 18 by 1 by 2. Speed is equal to 18 multiply 2 upon 1. 18 to the 36 by 1 is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. To express the speed in meter per second, distance is equal to 18 into 1000 meter. Time is equal to 30 multiply 60 second. Speed equal to distance by time. (18 multiply 1000 meter by 30 into 60 second. 0 से 0, 0 से 0, 18 10 the 6 3 the 18 3 से 3 cancel हो गया. 10 meter second. This is your answer. Thank you and have a great day.